Right out of the gate, extreme fear is gripping the market at 22 out of 100. The S&P 500 is down nearly 80 basis points and the Nasdaq is bleeding hard. Is tech finally breaking under pressure? We're seeing a classic tale of two markets this morning. The Nasdaq is getting absolutely hammered, down 1.55% with a 408-point drop. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones is holding up slightly better at just negative 0.26%. This tells us rotation is happening and growth stocks are taking the real beating today. Let's talk about the major indices. The S&P 500 dropped 60 points to 75.15, off 0.79%. The Nasdaq closed at 25,873. That massive 1.55% decline shows tech is under serious selling pressure. The Russell 2000 small caps fell 0.83%, so even value isn't catching a bid this morning. Now here's what's fascinating. Energy is absolutely crushing it right out of the gate. Salesforce surged 4.84% to $171, leading the entire market higher. ExxonMobil jumped 4.05% and Chevron gained 3.29%. Investors are rotating hard into oil and software while dumping semiconductor stocks. The carnage in chips is real, and it's driving the Nasdaq weakness. Intel plunged 6.1%, AMD dropped 4.21%, and Nvidia fell 3.52% despite overwhelming analyst support. AMD is the single biggest loser of the first 30 minutes by percentage impact on the market. This semiconductor sell-off is the opening gap that matters most today. Meanwhile, Tesla is down 3.19% at $395, and Meta lost 1.86%. The mega-cap pain is spreading beyond chips into everything else. What's wild is that analysts are still massively bullish. 64 analysts rate Nvidia as a buy versus just one sell, and 70 analysts rate Amazon as a buy. This disconnect between Wall Street conviction and actual buying pressure is striking. The real story here is defensive positioning mixed with sector rotation. Energy and payment processors like Visa and MasterCard are gaining while everything growth-oriented gets dumped. Visa is up 2.52% and MasterCard jumped 2.08%. Watch Intel closely through the session. That 6.12% drop suggests something